Hey everybody, it's Scorpion here. So while we were in the process of setting up this new laser, we had one of those ADHD moments and remembered that we were trying to do something else in the front and figured this would work great. So y'all stick around, watch what we're going to do, and personally I think it turned out really, really good. So this is kind of the start of laser engraving tables, which is something we plan on working our way up to at some point. Not with this laser necessarily. Looking at a CO2 laser, which is the one I need, is super expensive, so it might be a while before I get it. But yeah, so that's kind of the direction I'm heading. And excuse me. Something else I plan to add to the list of things that we do. We're slowly growing, slowly adding to what we do, and we plan to keep doing it. So hope y'all enjoy this video. We'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, so we got an idea. So we're taking this off for a little bit. And where I was originally thinking I was going to hand engrave the logo on the bar up here, being that I can't get stuff to hook up correctly so I can do it, we're going to move the machine up here and try to engrave the logo on the bar. So y'all stick around. Alright, so the plan, nothing ever goes as planned, but the plan is going to be burned straight onto the countertop and put this on it. So we're going to fire it up and see what happens, because originally I wanted to do it by hand and I couldn't get the stuff set up, so we're going to do it this way, we hope. Yeah, we fired it up, we're going. Remember, there was coach for life on here. Let's burn into it. It's kind of neat. You can see some of the striations and different things on there too, from the coating in the wood. It's taking like 3 hours and 10 minutes to do this, so we'll bring you back, let you get a good look at it in a little bit. Still making progress. What if it burns through the table and hits a battery? Ooh. Well, there's the first run. Probably need to make it a little bit darker, which it would darken up a little bit when I put the steel polyurethane on there. But I think I want that darker. It only took 4.5 hours to burn, even though it said 3 hours and 10 minutes. But let's run it again. Let's make it darker. So I decided I was going to leave it like it was instead of running it a second time. Should darken it a little bit when I put that clear coat on there. I'm running this at the same power. I would probably expect it to be a little bit darker though. Looks like it's going to be. So I'll fill you in as this runs. So 9 minutes in with 13 minutes to go, if it's right. Almost there. So we got to put one over here too. So let's see if we can't get that lined up and somewhere close to what we got here, and finish this bar off. Alright, so we're starting this side. It says 30 minutes. So that'll be a total of about 5 hours to do this. Alright, so finished product right there. See if we can turn the light on. On the bar. Harnicle on Instagram did that for me, that logo. Not perfect, but definitely looks pretty decent. And yeah, so not the laser I plan to use when I do tables later, because I'm working towards being able to build complete tables, end tables, coffee tables, dining room tables, and stuff like that. But just some idea, you know, and it's a little light, but that's okay. It's the first time I've ever done it. It's a brand new laser to us. We're still getting used to it, but just to give you some idea of some of the stuff we'll be capable of in the future. And I will paint over that, definitely. Y'all see that part one day.